green tea has become a global phenomenon, celebrated not just as a beverage but as a healthy lifestyle choice. Its rise in popularity can be attributed to its purported health benefits ranging from weight loss to improved brain function. But what truly makes a green tea brand stand out in this bustling market? Consumers today are looking beyond just flavor. They are increasingly interested in how products are sourced and the ethics behind them. A great green tea brand, therefore, not only delivers exceptional taste and health benefits, but also stands firm on principles of sustainability and ethical sourcing. Amidst a sea of options, finding the ultimate green tea brand involves a mix of personal taste and a commitment to high standards of environmental and social responsibility. This guide aims to navigate through these waters, helping you find a brand that resonates with your palate and values. When choosing the best green tea brands, several key factors come into play. Taste certainly takes the forefront. A good green tea should have a fresh, vibrant flavor profile with a pleasing aroma and minimal bitterness. However, the taste is just the beginning. Quality and sourcing are equally critical. The best teas are often those that are hand-picked and sustainably sourced from reputable plantations. These practices ensure not only the purity of the tea, but also the health of the ecosystem where it's grown. Ethical sourcing further adds value, indicating that workers are treated well and fairly compensated. Eco-friendliness rounds out our criteria. Brands that utilize organic farming practices and biodegradable packaging contribute to a healthier planet. These factors combine to form a comprehensive view that helps in selecting a green tea brand that truly stands out for its quality, sustainability, and ethical approach. Sampling different green tea brands reveals a fascinating variety of flavors, aromas, and finishes. The first brand I tried offered a robust, grassy flavor with hints of nuttiness, characteristic of a classic green tea. The aroma was fresh, evoking early morning dew on green leaves. The second brand brought a lighter, sweeter note, with subtle hints of citrus that lingered pleasantly in the aftertaste. This tea was smoother, making it an excellent choice for those new to green tea or who prefer a gentler flavor profile. Its aroma was less intense but equally inviting, reminiscent of a serene, sunlit garden. Lastly, the third brand stood out with its unique floral undertones and a slightly astringent finish, which is appreciated by those who like their tea with a bit of bite. The complexity of this tea made it memorable, and it carried a strong, earthy aroma that promised a revitalizing experience with every sip. One standout brand is Sencha Shots, known for its rich, full-bodied flavor and deep green color. Sencha Shots sources its leaves from the lush fields of Japan, where tea cultivation is treated as an art form. The brand's commitment to traditional methods and quality is palpable in each cup. Another top contender is Jade Leaf Matcha. Specializing in matcha, a powdered form of green tea, Jade Leaf sources its tea from organic farms in Uji, Japan. The brand is popular for its smooth flavor and the versatility of its product, which can be used in teas, lattes, and even baking. Lastly, the Himalayan Treasure brand brings forward the unique terroir of the Himalayan region. Their tea has a distinctively fresh and slightly sweet flavor, attributed to the high-altitude growth conditions. The brand prides itself on sustainable harvesting methods that preserve both the local ecology and traditional tea-making practices. Green tea is renowned for its health benefits. Rich in antioxidants known as catechins, green tea supports heart health and aids in weight management. Each of the brands discussed offers these general benefits, but some go further by acquiring health-related certifications. Organic certifications are common among top brands, ensuring that the tea is grown without synthetic pesticides and fertilizers. This not only supports consumer health, but also protects farm workers and the environment. Non-GMO certifications are also prevalent, reassuring consumers about the natural origins of the tea. In addition to these certifications, some brands also promote specific health claims, like enhanced antioxidant content or improved metabolism. These claims are often supported by rigorous testing and research, providing an extra layer of credibility and appeal to health-conscious consumers. Sustainable agriculture is at the heart of eco-friendly tea production. Brands like Sencha Shots and Jade Leaf Matcha use organic farming techniques that avoid harmful pesticides and fertilizers, which not only preserves local biodiversity, but also ensures the purity and safety of the tea. Water conservation is another critical aspect. Green tea cultivation can be water-intensive, but top brands implement irrigation practices that minimize water waste. Some even invest in rainwater harvesting systems to reduce their reliance on traditional water sources, further enhancing their sustainability profile. Packaging is another area where green tea brands can stand out. Biodegradable or recyclable packaging reduces environmental impact. Some brands go the extra mile by using solar energy in their processing plants or by offsetting carbon emissions through various environmental projects, highlighting their commitment to a greener planet. When it comes to cost effectiveness, green tea brands offer a range of options. Some premium brands might appear pricier due to their organic certifications and sustainable practices. However, considering the quality and ethical assurances they provide, the cost can be justified as an investment in health and environmental sustainability. Mid-range brands, which are generally more accessible, often strike a balance between quality and affordability. These brands are suitable for daily consumption without significantly impacting one's budget. They still maintain decent ethical and sustainability standards, making them a good value for the price. For those on a tight budget, there are also cost-effective options that do not compromise much on quality. These brands might lack some of the prestigious certifications but still offer a decent taste and some level of ethical sourcing. It's about finding the balance that suits your budget and values. Exploring the world of green tea reveals a spectrum of flavors, stories, and practices that make each brand unique. Whether you prioritize taste, health benefits, or eco-friendliness, there is a green tea brand that matches your criteria. Remember, the best tea is the one that not only tastes good, but also aligns with your values. I invite you now to share your own experiences and preferences. Have you tried any of these brands? What do you look for in your perfect cup of green tea? Engaging with others' views can broaden your horizons and perhaps introduce you to your new favorite brand. So pour yourself a fresh cup, reflect on your choices, and maybe even try something new. After all, every cup of tea holds the promise of a new discovery. Happy tasting!